Hello and thank you for purchasing your very own oyster bucket grow kit from JC Mushrooms. So let's start with what is included in the kit. But before we begin, make sure the space you are working in, be it outside table or the kitchen counter, is clean and sanitized, as well as your hands and clothes before you start the process. Cleanliness is key to your success with cultivating mushrooms. First up, hydrated lime, hand sanitizer, latex gloves, your mycelium, instruction booklet, bucket and straw bag. Last but not least, a clean bowl with normal room temperature tap water. Filtered or bottled water would be the best choice, but it is optional. First, let's start with the cold pasteurization. Step 1. Take the bag of hydrated lime and empty its contents in the bowl of water, and stir to mix it evenly in the water. Step 2. Place the bag of straw substrate into the bag. Make sure it is fully submerged and weigh it down with brick or any other weight you have available. Then leave it submerged overnight or a maximum of 24 hours. After soaking, hang up the straw bag for 6 hours to drip off the excess water and lime. Next step, planting your mycelium. Put on the latex gloves and sanitize your hand and gloves and mycelium packet. Also make sure the bucket is clean and sanitized. Step 1. Now loosen the straw in the straw bag and place the straw in a small layer and press it down into the bucket. Step 2. Break the mycelium apart in your hand and spread it in the bucket over the straw. You can use as much mycelium as you like. Now repeat step 1 and 2 until the bucket is full, and then seal the bucket with the lid provided. I'm going to speed up this process to cut for time. When finished, place the bucket for the first 2 weeks in a cool, dark, dry place like a cabinet or a shelf. You should start seeing white hair in the side holes forming after 5 to 9 days depending on your environment and humidity levels. If you live in a dry area, you might want to mist the bucket with water once or twice daily. Part 2 would be harvesting your mushroom. Thanks for watching.